Hi students, welcome back. Coming to the next topic in the subject embedded systems was ARM. So what is this ARM? Actually this ARM is nothing but advanced RISC machine. So we already discussed about the RISC. Okay, so ARM is just advanced to the RISC machine, reduced instruction set computer. So RISC machine advanced concept is the ARM. So this ARM is the first RISC microprocessor for which is used for the commercial purpose. So ARM is mainly used for the commercial purpose. ARM processor or the ARM controller will be used for commercial purpose. So just remember that this point. So in this video, I want to explain you what exactly the ARM was, why we are using the ARM, what is the history of ARM. Let's see the points. Before going to the topic, in which applications, in which areas this ARM microcontroller or the processor we are using. So the applications for this ARM is the ARM powered products are used in like video games, video game controllers, and wireless communications in the area of modems, or even in the mobile phones. The mobile phone consisting of the ARM controller, advanced RISC machine processor, and even in the handycam cameras, handycams, etc. So in all these appliances, we are using the ARM processor or controller. So what are the main features of this ARM? Let me write the features of ARM. So before going to know about the complete architecture of ARM, let's see what is the backend, that is how why ARM was constructed, introduced, and what is the advantages in using this advanced RISC machines, and what is the history of this advanced RISC machine. So if you know this, then you can forward to the architecture. So the main features of this ARM was, the architecture, whatever we are using is simplicity. It is completely architectural simplicity, which allows very small implementations. Because of this simplicity, it allows very small implementations which results in very low power consumption. So that is the main feature of the ARM. Let's see the history of ARM. Who developed this advanced RISC machine? Let's see the history of ARM. It was developed at Acorn Computers Limited. Let me write this point. Developed at Acorn Computers Limited of Cambridge, England, between 1983 and 85. Okay. So why we gone to this advanced RISC machine? First, why we went for the RISC machine rather than using the CISC. There is a complex instruction set computer. Actually, the problem with the complex instruction set computer, it is having the slower, having all the slower parts, and each instructions require one clock cycle. So that is the main problem with the CISC. So further, they developed a solution, that is a RISC. RISC is a competitive, easy to develop. RISC is a competitive, easy to develop, and it is cheap when compared to the CISC also. And the main is it is pointing the way to the futures. Pointing the way to future. Okay. So for that reason, we are they developed extended the CISC to RISC. Okay. So this ARM architecture, let's see this. What is a basic points in this ARM architecture. So typically, if you take the RISC architecture, ARM means advanced RISC machine, whereas RISC first they developed the RISC machine, after that they converted into advanced RISC machine. So what are the typical points that are raised in this RISC architecture? Let's take the RISC architecture consists of. So RISC architecture is large uniform register file consisting of large uniform register files will be present in the RISC. I am talking about the RISC, not ARM. So why what are the advanced features in ARM? I am explaining now. First see what are the features in this RISC architecture, then what are the points that are added in the ARM. So RISC architecture consisting of large uniform register files, and it is having the load and store architectures, and here simple addressing modes will be there. Simple addressing modes, and here the uniform and fixed length instruction fields also present. Uniform and fixed length instruction fields are present in RISC. So what ARM is, what are the enhanced features for this RISC? So when we add the enhanced feature to the RISC, then the ARM will be developed, means they design the ARM. So let's see the enhanced features. Enhancement. So this is the RISC plus enhancement, you will get the ARM. So enhancement is, these are all features will be present in ARM. The ARM is consist of large uniform register files, load and store, simple addressing modes, uniform and fixed length instruction fields. Everything is there. And the enhancement points for this is, here each instruction controls the ALU and shifter. Each instruction controls the ALU, arithmetic logic unit, and shifter. And the enhancement feature is, it is having the auto increment and auto decrement addressing modes, whereas here the simple addressing modes are there in RISC. In advanced enhancement, they are introduced the auto increment and auto decrement addressing modes. Auto increment and auto decrement addressing modes will be introduced. And next, the multiple load and store. Here only the load and store architecture will be there, and in the enhancement feature, multiple load or store will be added. And finally, it is conditional execution. Herein conditional execution will be there. Conditional execution. So the RISC architecture and the enhancement, finally you will get the result, that is the ARM architecture. So with the help of all this RISC architecture and the enhancement, final result consisting of the component, the controller with the high performance, low code size, and low power consumption, and even low silicon area. So with the help of that enhancement, the final result, whatever the component that produced, that consisting of high performance, low code size, low power consumption, low silicon area, that is the ARM. Advanced RISC machine. So this advanced RISC machine consisting of high performance, low code size, low power consumption, low silicon area. So with the help of this auto increment and auto decrement addressing modes, the code size can be decreased, and it is low power consumption will be there. And here high performance, because each instruction controls the arithmetic logic unit as well as the shifter. So this is the basic introduction of the ARM, advanced RISC machine. So in the next video, I'll explain with an architecture. So how the data paths and what are the different instruction sets that are present in the ARM. Okay, thank you.